Hi, on behalf of Expert Village, my name is Andrea Spano, and I'm going to show you how to make several different flavored cheesecakes from one basic cheesecake recipe from my new book, Not Just Desserts. Okay, so you see that I don't have the mixer on a high speed. I'm blending it nice and soft. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add a little bit of the heavy cream, a little bit of it at a time, because I'm really going to just add enough so that I have a nice smooth consistency, not too watery, but just enough so that, the cheesecake will bake up nice and firm. Okay, so what I do is a little bit at a time, blend it in well. So this is the liquid, and remember you're going to be adding more liquid in the eggs. The eggs are considered a liquid part of a recipe, and that will add to the recipe and make it, it'll thin it out a lot. Alright.